Music must save the day, man. What brings you here today?
There's like a whole lot of talent here at PMB, and we need to expose ourselves.
We're just trying to put PMB on the map, man.
Sure, bro. I believe that, bro, music as the whole, like, the game has changed.
Hashtag music will save your day. You know how it is. We in Peter Maritzburg, but I'm Flavor, I'm doing it, and this is Zolega. I mean,
together with Music Will Save the Day experience, we're right here at the PMB library. We're here with the workshop to tell us furthermore as the public and those interested in getting into the music industry.
Biggest challenge was me spending a lot, but you're not losing if you're investing in the brand. But also you need to invest more in your brand and place your brand in the right places. There's no one who came to me with a budget of 20,000 or 100 or whatever to say, listen, start a brand. It just all started in the mind and in the idea. I decided that, listen, I'm a DJ now. How am I going to be different as a DJ? The one way that I think I'm going to be different is if I brand myself well, okay? What is branding yourself? It is just to put yourself out there so that people remember you or they see you. If you're going to see me play, I wish that you could remember me by what you see. So I might as well write my name somewhere, you know what I'm saying? That's how it all started. So it is important to brand yourself because you don't know what you branding yourself in the merchandising can do for you. People will be like, listen, people need your hair caps here at Mbangeni. How much is your set? Because I'll be like, listen, yeah, people want my merchandise, but I can't just come. I'm a DJ at the end of the day. The merchandise is supporting the DJ. So if you want the merchandise, book the DJ is going to come with the merchandise. One big thing that was my breakthrough was I didn't want Umuntu must wait for so long for them to get what they want. If you're excited and want the brand now, get it now. Don't wait for 3 weeks or whatever. So I try to make sure that I always have enough so that if you want a red with white, you get it now.
Brands, they are looking for one thing, something that's going to connect them to their target market. Do your research, read what the brand is looking for, read what kind of campaigns each brand is having. A partnership means that you're bringing something to the table, they're also bringing something to the table, and you're meeting halfway. Always start at what they get in return before I go get into what it is that I want. Between a band. It's very important to know how to communicate your needs as an artist to different brands. Know what you're looking for, know how to ask for it.
Know who you're all about, respect your audience at the end of the day, because you're gonna that are actually the ones who can say what's it, at the end of the day, you never know who's listening to your music. The one thing you must realize is social media is like a business card. That's your business card. You are a brand at the end of the day. How you represent yourself is how you want other people to view you. If you've got content that's very strong, it's so easy for a brand to just come to you and say, listen, we've seen what you're about, we like what you're doing and everything. You guys haven't even said anything. They can just come to you and say, no, we like what you're doing, we want to work with you guys, and we want to see how far this partnership is going to go. As much as we're there to entertain ourselves within the social media sphere, it's also important we need to educate ourselves, understand what we're all about, understand the message that we're putting out to the audience.
Sell yourself as the brand. Sell yourself as you, who you are first, before anything, because that's a gatekeeper. If you want your music to be sustainable, take care of your gatekeepers. The person who's a music compiler is the gatekeeper. That's the person who decides, okay, this is going to play now, this is going to play now, this is going to play now. Second point, your goal. Each station, right, has got its own music positioning. So when you're making a song, you need to decide, okay, fine, if I'm making a song for radio, how am I going to position this? You have to make songs that are with the people. If that's the direction which you want to go for in terms of maximizing the radio space. And I said, now I'm speaking about mainstream radio, guys. Speaking about mainstream radio. If you want to be making it to mainstream radio, that's it. You have to understand that, listen, I'm making music not for me only. I'm making music firstly for the people to gain their respect, and also so I can do whatever I want. And then, thirdly, it's really extremely important that if I know that I'm going to meet the music compiler, yeah, Gagasi FM. I need to present music that is relevant towards Gagasi FM. Listen.
I'd like for you guys to look like most of you guys found there's underneath your chairs or on top of your chairs there's a plastic with Boston branding and so forth. Within the plastic there's certain goodies, and in those goodies there are free tickets for you and your friends for Saturday's event. About the Soul Candy Grocery, someone's here to fully explain this. I'll hand it over to Siyanda Makanya.
Sanibonani. Ninjani? Sibona Kamala Mutlanhla waKhumalo. I'm from Soul Candy and Boston. I've been working with Soul Candy since 2005. So today Soul Candy, in partnership with Boston, they've decided to give you guys an opportunity to go and study and further the skill in Naso, because it's a life skill. So the first bursary is a big bursary, is worth 30,000 rand, is to go and study music production, post-production, which is mixing and mastering, recording, using like the best fancy things that you can find. So the second one is the music business, which is gonna give you all the information about the corporates that you're asking now, how to protect yourself, royalties, mechanical royalties, performance royalties, synchronization, branding, events. Basically, it's a quick summary of how you can make money out of the music industry or capitalize a lot. And then the last one is DJ 101. I know you DJ for something. So the last bursary is the DJ 101. State if you're interested in the DJing one, or if you're interested in the music business one, or in the music production one.
Ukuthezelela nje ngasekugcineni ukuthi lento yama-side deals isuke ingezibukisiza lutho wena as an artist, ngoba vele even usuyenzile lo side deal but imali isukhokhelwe wena ngenxa ye-contract noma isivumelwano eninaso wena ne-manager yakho une-percentage. Immediately fika endlebeni zakho une-right yokuthi akuthatha kusenkantolo noma akhulume nawo adimande i-percentage lakhe regardless ukuthi akanegoshilisana nalo because befanele vele nomnikele ngayo. So mhlawumbe kuthiwa leyo deal uyiwine wena but still uwisha imali because unanivumelene kwi-contract ukuthi umsebenzi lo ukuthelela amagig uzohedishwa uyena. So akusizi ukuthi uyeshaya wena ukuthi wena njengamanje utholele low connection ilekise kwi-manager, i-manager bese hedisha everything in terms of ama-document nayo.
You choose a genre that is suitable for you, and you have two options. You're going to make a beautiful song or a song that's going to make money. You decide what you want to do. And the trick is now you need to be able to do both. Well, I feel like if you want to be a successful artist, you need to be able to do both. You have an option, you can make a song that's a hit or a song that's going to be a classic or whatever. A song that I'm going to be able to still play now and still play in 10 years' time. And those songs are very difficult to find, but it's easy to make a hit. Hit, let's go 2 months, they hit, 2 months and you forget about it. 2 months later, you release another hit.
In situations whereby someone has stolen the concept or whatever that I've created, I always make it a habit. With anything that I create, the first person I send it to is to myself. I literally go and I upload the document directly to my email address. Whenever I send it to anyone, I'm sending it directly from my email address. So now it means that I'm protected. That is the cheapest way to do what we call copyright.
Okay, brother, what you spoke about earlier, okay, to switch to market. Essentially, earlier on, okay, bezama ukuthezelela ukuthi ngaso isikhathi noma bawenza music, you need to try ukuthi ube nento oyenzayo ukuthi at least isivumelwano osenzayo nomuntu kube yinto edocumented. Nanokuthi wena leso sikhathi ekhokha kwafanele kucace ukuthi ukhokhela ini. Ukhokhela i-studio time noma ukhokhela i-beat. Wena makuthi wakudayisela i-beat, and I say it is associated lapho. Ona ama-documents ayasetshenziswa uma wenza music. Early yawo i-split sheet. I-document nje la thina kuzo uyinake, but kubalulekile ukuthi uyisebenzise ngenhloso yokuthi wenze isiqiniseko sokuthi if esefanele umculo wakho usetshenziswe commercially ngesiZulu ngokwenzuzo ukwazi ukukhokhelela. Your document is the same document ofanele uyisendele kuSAMRO, uKhapaso namanye ama-organization so that you would be able to be paid for that.
What have I learned personally?
Do your paper properly and understand which dynamics you're going through. In that case, you'll be able to fluent future and career and music. So this conference is helping a lot of people to understand how to make things professional, how to be professional, how you have to manage yourself as an artist, and know which doors to knock at. So,
we're just here to give feedback in terms of Abantu. We've had CIPC, we've had people, talking about royalties, and spoke to us about what you need to do as managing your artist, as having a record label, and being an artist yourself. How you as an individual, what you need to know, who owns your music.
Ukuthi record label isebenza kanjani as an artist now, ukuthi yini oyidingayo. So please guys, mawubona into efana nale, make sure you attend these kind of things, because njoba sila sonke siyafufusa siyazama, because ama-talent esinawo namakhono lawo esiwafezayo ngaphandle siyadinga ukuthi sibe nolwazi sicathuleke ukuzona zonke izinto. Nawe make sure mekunento enjengale, music will save your day. Make sure you come and learn. Sambe khona uzosizakala kamakhelwane.
I guess it's a day gonke mina, but I just want to say gratitude. Music will save the day. The only experience that's for the people, by the people. Basically today basifundisile ukuthi asekeni ukuthi sifuna ama-familiar faces. Khona abantu esingabazi. When abantu bo my music is still in the pipeline. Lalela, today they've taught us something from your publishing, from your branding, what to do, how to protect yourself with something that you love. Because basically akusizi ukuthi ube ne-talent ungekwazi ukuthi uyi-protect. Ngangobe lento experience soyishanga kusasa nangakusasa
ibe khona
njalo by a day yonke lento in a couple of hours ningakhohlwa. Music will save the day.
Hashtag. You know how it is, man. Flavor, Zoleka, Fresh Flavor Entertainment. Make sure. Let's get it.
It's all on you. Tell me. It's all on you. Can you see?